because, as I like to say, I recommended this film. It's a unique film and it's a very different structure. That's why I suggest this one. If you want, before making the analysis, I briefly mentioned the director. Director is Milcho Manchevski, the most well-known director in Macedonia, and he won Golden Lion in Venice Film Festival and nominated to Academy Award this film. And he have 5 feature films and wrote several books, several photograph exhibitions.
لا لا خلي هذا يمشي معه. ايه لا لا خلينا نمشي معه. خلينا نمشي معه ترجمة فورية. اسمع ترجمة أنا مش عارف. ها؟ ترجمة؟ خليه شغال ونعمل ترجمة فورية.
After each sentence, I will stop for translate.
No, it's okay. You can go on and we'll translate spontaneously.
I think most of you watch some films about World War II or Vietnam War.
ممكن انتم حضرتوا بعض الافلام اللي عمل احد الافلام في فيتنام.
Can you translate?
فيتنام. ايه. Yes. قل له go on. لا هيك راح يطول.
خليه يكمل ما في داعي يوقف.
ايه فورا.
Okay. I can't hear the translation voice. Okay. There are a lot of films about World War II or Vietnam War, like Good Morning Vietnam, The Deer Hunter, Apocalypse Now, Full Metal Jacket, The Pianist, Dustwood, Schindler's List. But I think it's hard to find a famous film like War About Balkans. At the beginning of 90s, serious war exists in that place, in Balkans, and a lot of new republics become independent. After the war, Croatia, Slovenia, Macedonia, Bosnia become independent. Then also Kosovo and Montenegro gain independence. In this film, you can see how the war affects ordinary people's life. One can analyze this film in a different way. For example, in the scene in Taxi, Alexander said that peace is an exception, not a rule. And then he wrote a letter to Anne and said that in Bosnia a soldier killed a prisoner just for the photo. And he said, I took sides and my camera killed a man. For example, we can analyze this thing, but I make a very different analyzing. If you see that the film begin and end with the same theme. At the beginning of the film, Krill make tomato collecting, and at the end of the film, he also make a tomato collecting. There are some other films use same technique, but this film unique. Did you see the sentence at the wall? Alexander left the city and go to the airport, and he made taxi. And at that time, on the wall, it is written that time never dies. Circle is not round. I want to describe this sentence. The film involves 3 sections. First part is word, second part is faces, and last part is pictures. These parts completely make a circle. But in each part, there are some contradictions and unlogical things. For example, at the first part, Zamira, the girl, was killed by his parents. And in the second part, Anne entered the office and checking some photos, and she saw Zamira's dead body on the photo. This order is logical, but in the last part, maybe some of them remember, we saw Zamira and she ran to church. After Alexander's death, at the end of the film, we saw that Zamira ran to church. How can she run after being dead at the first part? Because at the first part, she dead. This is a contradiction. So, can we change the order of the parts? For example, if we put the last part, third part at the beginning, so this time Zamira ran to church. And if we put the first part the second now, Zamira meet with Krieg and try to escape and get killed. And if we put second part as a third part this time, we saw that Zamira dead on the picture. It seems logical, but this time, since we put the third part as a first part, then Alexander died at the first part. Then he talked with Anne in the taxi. That time is again unlogical. I try to say that each part order have some logical and unlogical things. So if we change the order, we always have cycle. It's continuous, and this means that time is living. Continuous concept, so time never dies. But in each order, if we change the order of the parts, in each order, some unlogical things also happen. This means that there is a cycle between the parts. It's a circle also, but it is not perfectly round. That's why it is written that circle is not round. There is a circle, there is a cycle, but it is not round. So one can always make a circle with changing the part of the films. But each combination has some logical parts or unlogical parts, both of them. I hope I can talk well. It's a very complicated issue, but I hope I can talk. Of course, you also can arrange and change another combination, and at that time you again see that there is a cycle exists. Some logical things exist, but still some parts is unlogical. This means that there isn't round. If you have some recommends, some questions, I can also listen. I can talk a lot about the film because I watched film several times. It's very important film for me, but we have limited time. There are a lot of things about the film to talk.
طبعا عم يحكي عن شغله مهمه كثير بالفنون، بالروايه، بالسينما، اللي هي الخطف خلفا او الفلاش باك واشتباك الازمنه. وهي بتعمل اثاره، انه انت مثلا بتشوف حدث بعدين مو فاهم شو هو، فبصير عندك استثاره انك تفكر او تفهم، شوي شوي بلش يعطيك اشارات ومفاتيح مثلا، تلاقي فهمت فبتستمتع. فهي احد اشكال او تقنيات الكتابه والفنون والاخراج. الدكتور مصطفى بده يساله سؤال. شو
I try to say that in each part some logical things happen, but at the same time some unlogical things also occur. For example, maybe some of you see that at the beginning there is a funeral is shown. Did you see the funeral? And a girlfriend of Alexander watched the funeral from a far distance with eyeglasses. But after that, after a long time, we can see Alexander talk with Anne in a taxi. Then he moved to Macedonia. This I try to told. Each part we can change the order, and we can reach the same scene and make a cycle and reach the beginning again, but in each part some unlogical things also happen. It's a unique technique.
Mr. Blut, hi. Hello. I would like to ask you one question from our colleagues here. Okay? My name is Saeed. Mustafa is asking, is Alexander was based on a real character and a real story, or it's only imagination, or it's a part of it? What do you think about that?
Some of the story in the film is real, but not all of them. Because when the film is closed at the beginning of 19th, there is still war exists in each place. So most of the story is real, but not totally. For example, even you see the church near the sea. It's a small church, but for interior shoots, director used another church in Skopje. Another. So director used different techniques and add some unreal things also, but most of the story is real. In Balkans at 90s, most of the people in village experience such stories, but of course Alexander is unreal character, and in real life there is no photographers experienced exact these things. For example, every order with police it is imagined, but other part of the story is real. Even some Turks also live in Europe, Bulgaria and Greece, and they have border with Orthodox villages, and in these villages they had problems like that.
وهالشيء مش بس على هالمكانات، وحتى في بعض القرى المتاخمه لبلغاريا عم بيقول لك انه نفس المشاكل عم بتصير وبنفس العرقيات المختلفه.
تمام. حد عنده سؤال ولا خلاص؟
سؤال حول الجزء الثاني يعني.
اتفضل.
الجزء الثاني هو جزء لندن. انا حاسس انه في اقحام
الانجليزي،
يعني في اقحام، وفي يعني كان ممكن يختصر باقل من ذلك يعني. كانه فقط يريد المخرج ان يقول ان هناك موت وفي لندن ايضا موت، ولكن هذا الموت هو موت مجاني ولا علاقه له بالصراع، لا بصراع ديني ولا الى
اخره. ما تفسرتها،
ولكن في اي مكان هناك موت، ولكن الموت يختلف. رأينا أنه في لندن هو موت مجاني بكل معنى الكلمة، وموت عبثي بكل معنى الكلمة.
صحيح.
ليس قائما على أي صراع، لا مذهبي ولا ديني ولا عرقي ولا إثني ولا أي شيء آخر يعني.
صح.
بس شعرت أنه في إقحام
بس أنت فسرت الإقحام.
فصلت كذا السؤال خلاص.
أوكي. قول له، هتقول له حاجة ونختم يعني. قول له خلاص.
شكرا.
أوكي. Blut. I would like there is one of the audience said the second part is it's not fit.
Something like
it's more something. Factual. Factual.
مقحمة.
Yeah.
Hi, good evening. So he wanted to ask that in the second part, we noticed that in London there was an accident and there was a death killing. You remember when this guy went in the restaurant and he killed, and that was chaos for nothing, as if it is like intrusion. It is not outside. It has nothing to do with the plot. It was for nothing.
Do you think so?
I understand.
And we will finish after this answer. Okay? This is the wait.
But I can't understand.
Okay.
I can't understand the exact question. In restaurant, the boyfriend of the Anne killed.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah, and our guest says that it is not important thing. Am I right?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah. I also thought same, but in there it is want to be told that Anne's mind is a little bit complicated because Alexander wants to move her to Macedonia, and he eat a dinner with smart guy, his boyfriend, but the guy who killed his boyfriend also had a relationship with Anne before.
اللي قام بالقتل له علاقة أساسا مع آن مشان هيك ولذلك قال له أعطني هذه البنت بعت لي إياها بالبداية.
complicated with
فإذا المشكلة بالعقل تبعه في اضطراب في مشاكل كبيرة كانت.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much, Blut. Thank you. We are happy that you with us. Okay. See you, man. Bye.
ايه ما هو منهم وهو له علاقة مع البنت من المنطقة وله